Let me check my but yeah. Let's see my mic's on actually. Hello. Alright, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about how I view the market. Let me just get into it, bro. And I'm gonna try to guide through it. So I go for PD arrays, any PD array like a supply area, supply zone or fair value gap. It could be any one of those. What the key is the momentum and the sweeps we have that validates the area. So we have this fair value gap right here, but also what do we have now? Double highs. So that this telling me that fair value gap can be good enough to sweep these highs. And then going on a lower time frame to look at the session. What is that? That's the London session. So see, that could be good enough to possibly sweep that, which we don't do as of right now. Alright, there you have it. Boom, swept that. So that's a validated PY. So it's not the PY, it's not the PY name and how the PY looks. It's honestly how the market moves before it hits that PY. What liquidity does it sweep and what liquidity doesn't create. So now nobody's saying that's gonna hold for the longest. Now we have a new week. Where's our PD raise? Point of interest. Now that could be point of interest, but I know that this is a PY. But if we go down sweeping liquidity, obviously that's not a PY now. That's what I'm saying. And now look what we do. We go all the way down to sweep all this liquidity that we've been building up. Now look at this. What do we have? We have this area. We also have this. Another other good stuff. Now since this is one candle, I like to see it build up first. So we short liquidity. Okay, now we're pushing down a lot of speed. Okay, perfect. Now we come into this. Now what's going on? Now this is a Friday actually. So we could just consolidate for the rest of the day. But if you really want to see how this is, guess who's swept? None of these are swept. So that's what we can aim for probably. Those eyes. Perfect like that. And it keeps on repeating itself. I'm gonna try to do one more example. It keeps on repeating itself over and over again. Like, depending on the liquidity we have, liquidity it builds, liquidity it generates. It all depends. So like this is they say, oh no, this is a void, whatever. Well, it can still be a PDF, I guess, but it all depends on the liquidity we have though. So obviously this can be an SMT based off the look at it, because we have this huge push down. So obviously retail traders are going to be trying to sell off that. So this significant high that we could take out, or we could either use it to take out whatever. So as you can see, new week, cool. Not really trading nothing. Okay, as you can see right here, boom. Same thing. What do we have? Build up, come down with speed. Come down with speed. What we don't take out neither of them. Now that could possibly be a target. Now the only thing I really need at this point is confirmations. So now we're coming in a new day. Create a wick, hit that previous supply area, and we're still also forming with speed. We did take out both of them, so nothing too crazy. Alright, so let's continue. Still not supply. Alright, now we swept high time from liquidity. Perfect, and we're still doing this with momentum. Now we got a sweep of liquidity, and now what do we have? Going on hourly, we have this put our interest right here, all the way to the low. Now just off of assumption we can probably take a gamble and do this. You know what I'm saying? We could probably take a gamble and just do that. I'll be being real. Look on the 4 hour. We have, okay. If we get some liquidity sweep. Now look what's going on into PD array. Into a put of interest. Carry gap possibly could hold. Should hold. What do we have on a 15-minute? None of them swept again. If we go lows. 930 hit. Place your trade a little bit above. That's what I'm saying. Now this might lose because I didn't really refine the entry, but I didn't really refine like entries yet. But then again, freaking good POI. New day, which is not the best. It's a new day. So the look perfect. Just like that. Now it's just repeated cycle over and over again. We even managed to go down. Oh, I was already in for them. Yeah, so now let's see what we did overall in this area. Now I need to start to refine whatever though, because I could avoid a bad entry like this and aim for more of like a snipe, like something like this. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever. See, I need to start like refining it to possibly get entries like this. If I can do that, that'll be nice. But what do we do? So the Asia and London. London swept the Asia low, came back higher. Now we have London to sweep out. What do we do? Generate liquidity. We take it out with speed. Right? What I mean speed, take it out with speed right here. Boom, bulls engulfing candles, whatever. And then look what we tap into. Boom, fill right gap. Enter. No mercy. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. Yeah, that's important, honestly.